Saul Tarvitz was seen to be nothing more than a line captain by those he served under in the Emperor's Children. But fate would have a different plan for Saul, one that would see him make a stand against betrayal and treachery in mankind's darkest history. When this model was revealed by Forge World, I was super excited to get him. After reading Galaxy in Flames, I have to say Saul Tarvitz was a standout character with an epic story. So this model will cost you £30 on the Forge World web store, and as you can see comes in a single blister and is cast in resin. So let's bust him open and check out all the parts. So Saul comes in 13 different pieces with an option of the bare head or helmeted head. So the detail on this model is absolutely outstanding. So here's the cloak. Really nicely sculpted there. Some great detail. We've got the sniper rifle at the back as well. Here's the main part of the miniature, the torso. Now, all of the detail on the armor plate stands out really nicely, especially when you get it painted. But it's just so well cast. Now, there are still some mould lines and bits and pieces, but not too many, which is actually really good. We've got all the detail on the arms as well, on the gauntlets. We've got the shoulder pads. Got the saber. Now the bonus about this miniature is because it comes in so many different pieces, you can use it for conversions. So even if you don't want to use Saul Tarvitz as Saul Tarvitz, you could convert a Praetor or a Champion. So there's the barrel to the sniper rifle. We've got the company icon as well, and we've got the head and the helmet. This is a really nice miniature. Now, like with all Forge World miniatures, it's strongly recommended that you, before you put them together, you wash them in warm, soapy water. This is just to get the releasing agent off so it doesn't affect your paint job. So we're going to give him a bubble bath, we're going to tidy him up, and then we're going to put him together. So after cleaning all the parts and getting rid of all the mould lines, he's built and ready for painting. As Forge World character models go, he went together quite easily, and a couple of parts needed pinning, but it wasn't an issue. I'm really looking forward to painting this miniature because of all the detail on it. It looks absolutely outstanding. So keep an eye out for a future episode on how to paint this miniature. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment on who your favourite Horus Heresy character is, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more painting tutorials and unboxings. Take care, and we'll see you next time.